Now the Titan XD is a very interesting truck because it feels to me like it's in between a full-size heavy-duty truck and just a regular half-ton truck. So the tow mirrors make it feel more aggressive, more burly. The ride, just how it rides, how big it is, makes it feel like a heavy-duty truck. But it feels more maneuverable than, let's say, a Ram 2500, an F250, or a Silverado 2500. But one of the bad things about that is it's not able to tow nearly as much as they are, especially since you can only get it in a crew cab. So you can get the optional Cummins diesel, I think, that might give you an extra 1,000 or 1,500 pounds of towing, maybe up to like 10.5 or something, but I think this gets you right at 92, 9,300 pounds, somewhere around there. But it's cool that you're able to, if you want to, I guess you could hook up a gooseneck if it was light enough. But again, it kind of gives you that heavy duty truck feel. It gets you a little better towing than traditional half-ton trucks, but you're not getting anywhere near what you should get with a typical heavy-duty truck comparatively when it comes to the big three from Ram, Chevy GMC, and Ford. But I do like how much easier this feels to drive. And for a lot of people who want a bigger truck and they don't necessarily tow 17, 18,000 pounds, they're right around that 8 or 9,000. This will be a good choice because you still have that endurance 5.6 liter V8. And the Titan XD in this configuration, I should say, is a lot cheaper than, let's say, a V8 gas burner from GM or Ram. But I could be mistaken, actually, because this one has a package of about 60,000, but you can get one for 51,000, and it's a crew cab. You don't have to get a double cab and sacrifice all of your creature comforts, because this one has that adaptive cruise control. You have the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, dual zone automatic climate controls, and all of that due to the convenience package. But I also feel like this one just drives more comfortably than a typical heavy-duty truck. So again, what makes the XD a great option for the right buyer is it doesn't feel like you're driving a full-on heavy-duty truck. You just have some of the capabilities of it. Because the Titan XD drives more like a Titan than it does to any other heavy-duty truck from other manufacturers. In my opinion, at least. It's just easier to drive. I like the sound of the engine. I like having the 9-speed automatic. Just more easy to maneuver all the way around. Yeah, I just love how burly this truck sounds. I feel like this sounds tougher than any other heavy-duty truck that I've driven. Maybe even any other V8 half-ton I've driven. That 5.6 liter just roars. And like I said, for the money, if you use this to the fullest extent, like you should use it, I feel like you'll get your money's worth, and you have something that's probably a bit more fuel efficient, a little easier to drive, but still has great capability as opposed to just a full-size regular Titan or a regular Ram Silverado. But all in all, it still just falls short of a real heavy-duty truck. But again, this is not meant to be a full-on 3/4 ton truck, 1 ton truck. It's just meant to be a little bit more aggressive, kind of like, I don't know, maybe a 5/8 truck or something. But I do love it for what it is. Again, it checks all the boxes if you are in that segment of wanting a big truck, but not wanting a big truck. But this will bring me to the end of my review of the new 2023 Nissan Titan XD in the SV trim level.